wasn't buzzing, so. That means it's been an hour since they turned it on. None of the new brown one didn't run it yet. I want to change it at the same time as the new one. Whatever. All the lights are going. It's dead again? Mine runs dead a lot. I bet Lucas lasts a long time. How does he get the good ones every time? Okay, time to do a lot of these bad guys. Wait, there's a lot. These are sticky. Yeah, the black and red would be going if it worked. Oh! The brown. Two of the new ones. Whoa, the brown. I don't want to change that brown until that one's dead. Wait. Doesn't have that smell. Ugh. Gets up fast, but it's really slow at moving out. And that one's lazy. Broken. I just can't believe you had water now. That's because you buzz. If you don't buzz, you last long. A pink granddad. The most pink. A pink. The two that run dead the most of all. Especially this one. Well, both of them. And the toothbrush buds. Which reminds me, hey! I never got to see how fast you can get up. I thought it was lime green that I said. Wow, that's so sad. I don't want to change that brown to the other brown runs dead. That's going to be a while, I'm afraid. This one's almost dead. Whoa, look at that black one. That was fast. But I'll change.